What's up, guys? We're back. We are going to install the Mishimoto Transmission Cooler and get rid of this small one because with this gray bumper, my cooler is down there. So when I went camping this weekend, or not this weekend, sorry, this summer, it got really hot and there's no air. Like it pretty much hits right here and then not really much flow goes through. So you have to take your light bar out and whatnot. But I didn't want to do that. And I've been really wanting the Mishimoto cooler forever. So let's put her in and then I'm gonna fill her up with new fluid and we'll be good to go. So we're at these aftermarket cooler lines. I'm having to take off the bottom or the actual hose right here so I can get this off because you get rid of those little clips. So you have to take this whole thing off to get the new one on, or to do the new adapters on, because these will go into these. So, and then you can do your little hose and stuff, because I don't know, kind of seems a little cheapish, I guess. I don't know, I still like it, but it's just, yeah, because he's going here and I'm like, I kind of wish they would just go into the stock ones like that, but I don't know, whatever, sure, cool, whatever. But anyways, yeah, take these off and then you've got to put them into the black one. So that's how that works. I was always wondering, I'm like, what do you, because on the video you see them working on a stock one, which has the little clips you have to take off, and then you pop in these ones and blah blah. But anyways, that's how you do it. The stock one compared to the Mishimoto one, it's literally like, I don't know, a quarter, third more bigger. A little bit bigger, thicker too, but it's just way wider and I'm more upper. So let's get her put on. Definitely excited to get this on. Be awesome. We're back. I've been driving it for a couple days now. So here's the, sorry, it's kind of bright. There it is behind the grill. Looks pretty sweet. Looks a lot better in person. So everything went good installed. So I don't know, I'm being lazy, but I didn't get the things. But the fittings right there, so you can see, goes in there. The only complaint I had was the clamps. So I went to the hardware store and bought some better clamps because they just kept sliding off. It was a pain. So, and it was leaking just a little bit, not too much. Right there you can see. So I just went to the hardware store and bought some better ones. And the top ones are good. It's just the bottom ones. So, but other than that, you put in the 4 little screws right there, 2 on it there, 1 right there, and then obviously the ones on top. But super easy install and way worth it, because driving home usually temp's probably closer to maybe 180-ish cruising. And now it hasn't reached 155. And then if I have my actual cover, that's with my cover on, my window cover, that's with it on. If I have it off, it doesn't get over 120. So, but it's also cool. It's also winter. So I'm excited to test this out more in the summertime and towing and stuff. But yeah, there she is. Super nice. I love it. I get so many comments. They're like, oh, that's so cool. But yeah, definitely put down link below to grab you. Go grab this, put it in. Super easy. Took 30-40 minutes. So, and well worth it for your transmission's life.